225 leverage. 1806. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I am here with a few 44 magnums. These are three of my favorite 44 magnums. I've got the Ruger Super Blackhawk Hunter. This is a single action 44 mag with a burst optic on it. This has killed a buck. And I've got a Colt Anaconda 8-inch. This is a double action. This is essentially brand new. This is a virgin gun that has no deer under its belt. And then I've got the Henry Big Boy 44 mag all-weather. And this got a deer last year, being that it was brand new. So I'm going to put these to the test today. Got the chronograph out. I have 180 grain. These are jacketed hollow point, sorry. Then I got 240 grain, and these are the TCSPs. These are more of a hollow point with a cone in them. And I'm gonna see what these guns are pushing for velocity. I got the chronograph here. And yeah, we'll have a little comparison for you. So let's get to shooting. Alright guys, first up, we got the 7.5-inch barrel Ruger Super Blackhawk. I'm going to put 3 of the 240 grain in. First up, 240 grain, Super Blackhawk. Here we go. 1457. 1472. 1424. Pretty nice. Good handling gun. Man, I love this gun. Next up, we have the 8-inch Anaconda. $15.81. 15.22. 14.99. Lastly, we got the 20-inch barrel. Here we go. 1690. 1697. 1751. Wow, that last one was...
I figured it'd be higher than that.
I'm actually surprised between the difference just in that half barrel. Seems like we almost had 100.
Yeah, it was about 100.
Let's try the 180 grain. I was surprised with the pistols that the 20-inch barrel was not significantly higher. We'll look at the numbers here when in a minute, but yeah. So let's go to the 180 grain. First up, 180 grain Ruger Super Blackhawk, 7.5-inch barrel. Let's see what this does. $16.69. 16.44. 16.28. That's moving. All right. Next up, we have the 8-inch Colt Anaconda, 180 grain. Let's see how this fares out. $17.35, $16.74, $18.13. Wow, that was kind of inconsistent. All right, lastly, we've got the 20-inch barrel, Henry, big boy. All right, 20-inch, 180 grain, 2108, 2133, 2099. That's cranking. That is cranking on that. Big difference there, I feel like. So I have here the Hornady FTX 225 grain Levolution. These are showing the velocity out of the muzzle at 1410 feet per second. Based on the chronograph numbers that we just shot 240 grain out of, I find that very hard to believe. These seem to be quite a bit more aerodynamic. They're a lighter bullet. This was just pumping 180 grain to 21, almost 2200 feet per second. So let's see what we can get for velocity out of the Henry with these Levolution, which obviously they're designed for a lever action firearm. We got 3 of these. First up, 225 Levolution. 1806. So that's more than the 1400 on the box. 1783. $17.65. Nice. Very nice ammo. This is what I'm going to be, that's what I'm going to be using for the whitetail with. Alright guys, here's 3 more Levolutions out of the 8-inch Anaconda. Anxious to see what we're pushing there. The muzzle velocity on the box is saying in the 1400s, 1410 out of the muzzle. Let's see what it is out of the Anaconda. Here we go. 1562, 1606, 1574. That is booking. So we're talking about 100 feet per second higher, if not more, than what it's saying on the box here out of this 8-inch Anaconda. Well, I'll have to do some research. But yeah, the feet per second listed on the box is much lower than what we're getting out of the 8-inch barrel, and then obviously out of the 20-inch barrel. I would assume out of the 7.5-inch barrel it'd be very similar to the 8-inch barrel. So All right, guys. Well, there you have it. There's some numbers. I was surprised how much quicker the 180s start traveling out of the long barrel compared to the 240s. As you saw, the 240s out of the 20-inch barrel, we're only getting about 100 more, maybe 200 more feet per second than the pistols. Thanks for joining me here today, guys. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Safe shooting.